Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find hidden photos in Google Photos. So you have to just open the Google Photos on the Android device. So when you have to open it, you have to just simply go to the library option, and there is utilities, and you have to scroll down. When you have to scroll down, you will see the logged folder. More scroll down, you see there is the logged folder. So this is have hidden photos in the log folder. So you have to open the log folder. You will find in utilities. So you have to click it to the logged folder. So black is for lock screen, you can't see. So when it's open, you can also set the fingerprint, and when it's open, so this is my hidden photo on Google Photos. You can find them. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.